Hello, good evening, everyone. Yes, market is very red. No good, no good. Okay, so how is everyone? Yeah, I think this recently lah. Okay, the market sentiment still very weak lah. Okay, maybe we need to wait until maybe after Wednesday. Okay, what level should I average FGV now? Okay, never mind. Later we will go through. Yep. Hello. Good evening. Okay, so before start, please help me to click like and share this video. Okay, so today content we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FPM KLCI. Okay, so and follow with the stocks Q&A. So let me know your stocks that you want me to review and yeah, your intention okay, whether you already EP or you are looking for EP level, okay, give me more information so that I can give a better advice based on TA point of view. Okay, so disclaimer first, okay, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, so please help me to click like and share this live. Okay, let's go for the US market lah. Okay, just a quick review. Okay, actually last week, okay, the weekly closing for Dow Jones are still not that bad. Okay, to be honest, this weekly candles still consider okay. Bull and bear still got chance, and especially we can see on Friday. Okay, the closing for the Dow Jones is still not that bad, but unfortunately, okay, today is a US holiday, so the market may not be so real. Okay, we need to wait until tomorrow. Only know the actual sentiment okay, for the US market. But so far for their Friday closing still not that bad. Okay, as well as S&P also Friday closing also not that bad. So we need to wait until Tuesday already lah. Okay, today US market no open, although the futures got moved lah. Okay, some of the broker their futures got moving, but the movement most probably is the fake movement lah. Okay, but their weekly candle closing still not that bad. Okay, but only Nasdaq closing for weekly point of view a little bit uglier lah. Okay, we can see the bearish candle is quite bearish. Okay, compared with Dow Jones and S&P. Okay, what we need to take note on Nasdaq is 11.5K. Okay, but so far for the US market, Friday closing is still not that bad. So I'm expecting we'll have some bounce, okay, for the US side. And how about gold? Sorry, this one is oil. Okay, so far oil is try to going to sideways now. Okay, so far we can see ever since they break below 114, okay, they are supported by 105. Okay, recently also supported. So I'm expecting they might just go sideways until they break up or break down only. Okay, so oil is more to neutral. And how about gold? Okay, gold so far on Friday we can see they do appear a hammer lah. Okay, a hammer to test 1790,008. So seems like this is a possible bottom to rebound. Okay, so we are seeing some bounce up to 1818 or even higher. Okay, unless they go below 1790, we are seeing more downside. Okay, to 1755 or even lower. And how about Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin so far quite boring lah. Okay, if we base on the weekly point of view, the weekly closing is quite okay. Consider is bearish lah. Okay, so far we still haven't see any bullish weekly candle yet. Okay, so far for crypto market is still very weak, and for the strong support is 17K. Okay, so currently the price is in the middle of support and resistance because the resistance is 22K and support is 17K. Okay, current price is about nearby 20K 19K plus. So For crypto, I think so far nothing much. Okay, quite boring lah. If based on the price session and the structure wise. Okay, Ethereum also already break below 1001, currently testing 1001 as resistant, and their support 1000. Okay, same as Bitcoin, also very weak. How about FBM KLCI? Okay, KLCI last week closing. Okay, unfortunately, no window dressing. Okay, as we can see. Let me close a line. Okay, for the June closing, this one is a June candle, monthly candle. Okay, this is a quite bearish monthly candle and market break below 1005 and also 200 months moving average. Okay, so far it's quite ugly lah. Okay, so for the bull to make a comeback, they need to go back. Okay, 1005 based on monthly point of view. And how about daily? Okay, what we can see on the daily chart. Okay, market already break 1460, which I mentioned earlier is an important support, which already broke down. So we can see they do try to retest lah. Okay, unable to go back and get rejected. So seems like market still got more downside lah. Okay, and their immediate support is 1430. If this level unable to hold, we are seeing 1004 already. Okay, so far for KLCI is still very weak. And let's go for the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me scroll and see. Okay, good evening. Okay, I average FGV now current cost 160. Okay, I have been warned that plantation we need to be careful lah. Okay, plantation we need to be careful. Let me see on the CPO price. CPO. Yeah, CPO not good lah. Okay. Ever since they break below 5,005 already ugly. And yeah, today break below 4,005. Okay, 4520 closing 4350. So far for CPO is quite bearish, not so not so good lah. Okay. And their next support is 4,002 and 4,000 lah. Okay. I haven't seen any rebound signal yet. Okay, and for the FGV, okay, ever since they break below 175, 170, no longer good looking lah, okay, to be honest. So if you are looking for the next level for you to maybe do some averaging, okay, or my opinion is look at this zone lah, which is 1402, 145. Okay, this zone can consider, but because sentiment wise they are quite weak. They already break below 200 MAs, and the 20 MA already crossed below 200 MAs lah. So this also indicate that the sentiment is very bearish. But it's still, you if you want look for the next support zone, okay, it's 140 and 145 lah. This zone can consider. Okay, but if they break below I'm seeing around 130 or 125 already. So take note lah. Okay, don't, yeah. If your size is manageable, then okay to add lah. Okay, otherwise you are putting more risk into one counters. Okay, how about next Q&A is PIE. Good evening, Patrick. Yeah. Okay, PIE or PIE no good today. EP for PIE. Okay, PIE already break below 3 ringgit. Okay, this one MACD also crossed down lah, so sentiment not so good looking. So since they are not so good looking, okay, I need you monitor this level first. 270. Okay, this level. Okay, but with if we base on today candle, actually not so nice. Okay, maybe we wait for the price to come to 270 and see whether they will get supported. Okay, if they can get supported, you only try to do EP. Okay, if they straight break below 270, then you wait at 250 lah. Okay. At the moment I am seeing they are a little bit weak lah. Okay, so your success rate will be lower if you want to do some trade on these counters. Okay, how about Franken? Okay, wow, Franken also break 240 already. 214 today closing. Okay, let me see. Franken so far so weak. Okay, if we scroll back and see their support level, okay, this one is 2020 November, 2020 September, and August support level, which is at 212 and 2 ringgit. Okay, these two level can consider, but since I see the selling pressure is still there, you can see they sell down quite strong. So I think we can wait at lower level, which is at 2 ringgit first. Okay, 2 ringgit and 175 lah. Okay, these two level. Okay, we wait at 2 ringgit first. If they can get supported, then okay. But if they break below, okay, maybe you need to cut loss or escape first. Okay, wait at 175. Okay, so far, yeah, not so good looking lah. Okay, so we can see the selling pressure is still there. But for the bottom, okay, if you want to catch bottom, 2 ringgit can monitor lah. Okay. Hello. Okay, comment on the OWG. OWG EP 50 cent, your TP. Okay, let me see. OWG, your EP 50 cents. Okay, wow, I draw too many lines already. This one. Let me delete the lines and see. Okay, this one is a 545. Okay. OWG also not so bullish looking lah. Okay, as the price already break below 200 MAs, which is at 545. Okay, here. Okay, so here was a support now turn into resistance. So since you already EP, so you follow with your stop loss lah, maybe below 50 cents or even lower, okay, up to your risk tolerance. So if they can rebound up, okay, the resistance is 545. Okay, also in conjunction with the 200 MAs lah. Okay, so if they can rebound lah, okay, I'm aiming until 545 first lah. Okay, how about Ying Sen and Aeon? Okay, let's go for the Ying Sen. Ini macam not so okay yet. Okay, so far I think most of the counters we review today might be not so good Okay, so far they are still weak lah. Okay, but if you want to try to catch bottom okay, 190 can 190 190 190, this one bottom 180. Okay, maybe your cut loss is below 185 lah. Okay, 0.05 of risk. But I think the success rate will be lower, okay, based on this scenario. But so far, if you think this is a bottom lah, okay, as we can see based on the historical support, okay, so we can see they do tested back in 2020 March, okay, November, okay, last year August, this year May, okay, so far 190 is supported quite well, okay. Okay, maybe they might have some overshoot lah, okay, shoot until below 185 lah. So got two scenario lah, okay. One is just jump in and your cut loss below 185. Okay, secondly, okay, if you know a little bit about technical, okay, we wait for some reversal signal, okay, or reversal uh, candlestick, okay, as like maybe a hammer appeared here or a bullish candle appeared here, okay, especially if got volumes, we only jump in, okay. This is a more secure method, okay. Although you might get a little bit expensive price, but at least they give you some confidence that okay, here got a bull to support. Okay, if you straight set the buy limit here, they hit and go down lower, you will get more loss lah. Okay, so got two method to try lah. Okay, so if this level 185 also cannot hold, they might go to 175 or even lower. Okay, so just monitor these two level and see lah how it's going. Okay, how about Aeon? Aeon 127. Wow, they also weak. Okay, but at least here also same lah. 2020 support. This year February support. Okay, now it's at here lah, about 127, 125. Okay, so you can monitor these two level 127 and 125. As long as they stay above, okay, maybe it's an opportunity. Okay, if you want more secure, okay, method, okay, we wait for some hammer or bullish candle. Okay, as example like this. Yeah, a bullish. This one is a bullish piercing lah. Okay, you can see a bullish candle with a huge volume. Okay, this is a buy signal lah. Okay, so either you wait for a buy signal or you just queue and your cut loss below 125. Okay, how about okay OWG? This one Unisem Unisem. What's your next X or S1 S2 Unisem Oh, ini also very stressful overall 175 can Oh, you want S1 S2 Okay, for me the better S is at 175. Okay, currently they are at one of the support lah, which is this one also minor, likely to break the chances of breaking down I think is quite high lah. Okay, especially today we can see the selling pressure is still there. Okay, the bearish candle is still there. So once they clear the 215 I'm seeing more downside lah. Okay, maybe a psychology level is at 2 ringgit and 175. Okay, if we refer back to the support we can see here got more activities okay, which is about 175. But if you direct must say another support is at 2 ringgit this is a psychology level, and here is a more solid support which is on average about 175. So maybe turns out the S1 is 2 ringgit, S2 is 175. Okay, so far I'm seeing more downside on this one okay. Franken. Okay, let me see Franken likely to close gap any gap? It does not cover already but let me see any gap here. Oh, if you say about this gap, I think we need to wait for some um, market rebound okay, they only got chance to come back to cover this gap. Okay, at the moment we can see these few trading days is just pure seller. Okay, so pending for a rebound signal Okay, review EP for Emulus and D next Emulus today break below 60 cents which is not so good. Okay, previously I was aiming at 60 cents okay, but today the market already break below 60 cents, closing 590. So their next support is about 575. Okay, if we zoom out and see 575, 565 lah. Okay, these two level. This is a level back in 2021 January. Okay, here. So since they already broke below 60 cents so we wait around here. 565, 575. Okay, but if the price break and close below 565, cut loss. Okay, skip first, and then they might go down even lower lah. Okay, maybe by that time we only review again. So their most important level is about 565. Okay, for Emulus. But so far the structure wise is more favor to the bear lah. Okay, and how about the next The next crossover recently got pumped up. Okay, then neutral few days. Today closing 8780. Okay, so if you are interested, 750 lah. Okay, my ideal level actually is a 750, and their immediate minor support is a 770. Okay, so I watch out these two levels first. And if they really cannot stay above 750, okay, they may go to 70 cents or 660. Okay, PIE just now cover already. Later got time I okay, cover again. Okay, let's go for the tofu. Okay, tofu today also not so good looking lah. Okay, based on the closing, as we can see, they hit 3 ringgit. Okay, and get rejected. Today, closing is quite consider a bearish candle lah. Okay, break 280, break 270, closing 265. Okay, so for me, in my opinion, not so good looking. Okay, if you are interested, we wait around 258 or 250. Okay, if they can stay above this zone, I think still okay. But if they break below, we are seeing around 235 or even lower. Okay, so based on current market sentiment, the chances of breaking down, okay, actually is quite high lah. Okay, unless okay, maybe Wednesday got some bullish sentiment come back. Okay, at the moment today just Monday lah, so we see when the price reach 5250 see any support over there. Okay, after tofu Anju Anju rebound habis sell down again. Okay, they here got crossover. Okay, Anju to be honest, the overall momentum, okay, the structure is still favor to the bear lah, okay. We can see just a pure seller. Okay, even got a buyer also temporarily rebound. Okay, especially recently the price got a rebound up. Okay, especially on last day of June. Okay, they rebound with volume, but here they hit 20 MA and kena rejected down and continue sell down, closing 103. So, psychology level, 1 ringgit is your immediate support. If they break down 960, wow, no support already. Here like that, see. After 1 ringgit, okay, no solid support already. Their next solid support is about 70 cents. So, in my opinion, wait lah, okay. Maybe they will form a support over here. Okay, if they can form a support over here, we only consider do EP. Okay, otherwise, I think quite risky lah. We can see they are just pure seller. Okay, even the rebound also a temporarily. So better wait first. Okay, either wait for them to form a support. Okay, or wait for them to break down and then test a 70 cents. Okay, review my EG. Okay, my EG actually Friday closing is still not that bad lah. Okay, as we can see, got a bullish candle break above 890, but today second attempt to go above 90 cents, but macam kena rejected also lah. Okay, rejected by the 50 MA as well. Okay, closing the volume slightly higher. Okay, compared with Friday, of course, is lower, but we can see the average volume considered high. So we are expecting the price might go back to test the 20 MA or 870. Okay, so 20 MA is at 880. Next level 870. These two level to monitor. Okay, as long as they stay above, still okay. But if they go below 870, most likely not so good already. They might go to 850 or even lower. So now is just trade this one as a rebound trade only lah. Okay, metric Oh, metric today got a strong sell but they do have a rebound lah. Okay. So overall, let me see metric MACD slightly weak. So they already hit 225. Okay. All the way to 220. Okay. So they by end of day rebounded and closed at 227. So I think still not that bad for the closing. Okay, so moving forward, you monitor these two levels, 220 and 225. Okay, as long as the price can stay above, okay, the bulls still have chance. But if they close below 220, most likely not so good lah. Okay, not so good. Okay, review Wong Wong rebounding crossover. Okay, if they can rebound 50 cents only lah. Okay, at the moment we can see recently they do pump up with volume as well. Okay, on 22nd of June, pump up with volume. Okay, 28th of June also. 1st of July, which is Friday, also pump up with volume. But today got a little bit hit resistant. Okay, let me see on the smaller time frame. Okay, here 9:30 got a little bit profit taking already. So meaning that morning they pump up. Okay, when the market open, they pump with volume. Okay, so on the first hour, they already start to sell down, sell a little bit. So seller at this zone around 465. Okay, seller at 465. Okay, let's go back to the daily chart. Okay, daily chart, we can see the closing is like not so bullish as the tail. Okay, the tail a little bit long. Okay, so monitor, okay, for the Wong monitor 440, if they can stay above 440, the rebound is still valid. Okay, but if they close below 440, most likely they might go back to 40 cents. Okay, so if they can stay above 440, Bull still will have chance to make a comeback. Okay, if they can continue goes up, okay, watch out 50 cents. Okay, and this one we just trade as a rebound trade lah. Okay, and already run out so much already lah. Okay, already run out. I assume from 350 to this level about 30% already for this market. Consider very good already lah. Okay, Chim, okay, CIMB and MBank. Okay, CIMB okay, at least still got some chance. Let me see on the how to say finance sector. See how it's going. Okay, at least they try to support by the 200 MAs. Okay, let's go back to the CMB. And today closing is about 503. MACD neutral, not too bad. Okay, the only thing is their overhead resistance, which is at 505, 508. Okay, this is their immediate resistance. Okay, so far I think Bull and Bear also got chance lah. Okay, and their support 485 so far is supported quite well. Okay, just that short term they a little bit weak. Okay, but so far they got support is over here lah, 485. If they can break above 508 okay, then I think Bull will make a comeback maybe to 525 or 537. So I think trading okay lah if you want trading, but invest current price I think a little bit outwork lah. Okay, trading maybe you can wait for the breakout, do some breakout trade. Okay, maybe trade until 508 maximum 515 or 525 there as your resistance. Okay, I'm seeing just a potentially lah. Okay, sell on news trade only lah. Okay, and how about MBank? Oh, MBank so far their performance not too bad 1, 2, 3. Okay, the only thing is they have a slight divergence. Okay, we can see the MACD is getting lower. Okay, but the price is going higher. Okay, this just indicate that okay the uptrend slightly weak. Okay, the bull is slightly weak, but yet to happen. Okay, until they break down certain level. Okay, just a warning only lah. But based on the trend, all I think is still okay as long as they can stay above 365, 365, and 370. Okay, as long as they can stay above 370 and 365, I think MBank is still okay. Oh, they already break this one. 365 is important support lah. Okay, as long as they can stay above, I think the trend is still okay. If they can continue to spike up, next level is about 3994 ringgit already lah. So far the trend looks not bad lah. Okay, compared with other banks. Okay, how about DG? DG recently rebound, okay, but we just trade DG as a rebound lah, okay, as the trend considers still a downtrend. Okay, recently bounced up, okay, gap up on 29. Okay, market continues spike up. Okay, the only thing we need to take note is when they spike out, the volume here got reducing lah. Okay, just take note. So for the support, maybe we take note on 343 lor. Okay, resistant 100 MAs, which is here 368. Okay, 368, 388. Okay, and 375 is a minor one. Okay, so take note on 368, 375, 388 is your resistance, and the important support for the DG is 343 low. Okay, but we just trade this DG as a rebound trade only. Okay, as the trend is still doing downtrend. Okay, how about YOCB? YOCB, Yong On. This one quite illiquid counters. Okay, let me see. If based on the price and the structure, this one consider uptrend counters. But if we zoom in and see the chart, actually this one is a illiquid counters, okay, which is I think is how to say very difficult to trade. Even you buy also very difficult to sell. I believe if you look at their price ladder, you will see the buy and sell is very thin. Okay. If you want to buy a lot, also very difficult to buy. Okay, due to the liquidity okay. But if we based on the chart the performance still considered not bad. Okay, still uptrending. This one sometimes we need to use a weekly chart only can see a better pictures. So support is 1 ringgit and resistance 118 118. Okay, 118. Okay, next is a shift Taylor shift Still got any question? We still got half an hour. Wow, Taylor shift. This one shift. Let me see. This one bolat lah. This one to be honest okay, what I see they are still weak Okay, although MACD crossover already. So this one is a sell down. Okay, rebound. Okay, this state we can see the highest volume one. Okay, what happened to the candle? Can see the body is like that, like that only. Okay, they do attempt to pump out, but by end of day the seller come in. Okay, to erase all the gains. So this one is a not so good signal. Okay, someone with huge volume. So the next day they do attempt Okay, they try to push out, but the volume low. So the next few days here also can see unable to go through. 50 cents also break. Okay, today sell down with slightly bearish candle. Okay, volume is low but I see nothing. Okay, they might go back to retest 450. Okay, so far for these stocks, I not really can read much things okay, as the data is limited. Okay, their first date is on 21st of December last year. Okay, so this one is just have about 6-7 months of data for me to read only. So far I see they are still doing downtrend and still weak Okay, revenue EP revenue. Okay, the only thing good is the MACD is going up way slope up. So this is just a bet on the rebound trade Okay, let me see but so far I see they are still weak okay, even though on 27th of June they do spike out with volume but unable to go through 1 ringgit. Gurna rejected down. So for revenue you monitor 925. Okay, 925. If this level I mean the closing price okay, if the closing price is below 925, meaning the closing price is maybe 915 910 then I think better cabut first, okay, as they might go to 880 or even lower. Okay, so tentatively what I see 925 is their last support lah. Okay, so you need to take note lah. So far for me, yeah, if you want to bet lah, okay, 925 low, if go below, cut off first and we see how it's going. Okay, and you are against the trend lah, okay, as the trend is downtrend. So you are betting on the bottom. So if the bottom fail, we need to cut loss. Okay. And your success rate, okay, as we can see, the trend is bearish. So if you buy, you are bull on it. So you are against the bear. So your success rate would be lower. Okay. So you need to take note. Okay. Maybe your size need to slower, smaller, and your expectation, you need to expect that, okay, if I'm wrong, I need to cut loss. Okay. So next is advice on PP Jack. Let me see. Wow, this one so new. Cross out. Okay, they do very good. Okay, on first day of April. Okay, they do spike out lah. Everyone happy lah. Okay, IPO holder also happy. Whoever bought on the first day also happy. Okay, so they pump out and supported by 440. Okay, so their average support is about 460 and resistance is about 545. Okay, this one cross out. But okay, to be honest, these counters is just about 2 to 3 months. Okay, I only have 2 to 3 months data to analyze. Okay, so you can see limited data, so we can't really read their behavior or their past history. So this one, okay, my accuracy on this chart would be lower lah. Okay, so let's zoom in and see. Pump out 2 days. Today got a seller. So for these counters, for contra, okay, no volume, very hard. Okay, if you want contra, actually most people okay, do contra mostly okay, lose money one okay, especially in Bursa Okay, since today we can see got a strong sell down so maybe okay, wait for the price to come back down nearby 470. You only consider to do any okay EP lah. Okay, cut loss maybe below 460 lor. Okay, and this counter is too new already. I know not much comment on them lah. Okay, and how about the review for hibiscus? Okay, sell down here, down here, attempt to go back to 100 MAs. Today closing 995. Okay, and their immediate resistance 1 ringgit. Okay, review EP lah. Okay, if for me lah, okay, I will more prefer wait first lah. Okay, I want to wait for the price to break above 1 ringgit and then stay above 1 ringgit. Okay, then I only confidence to say, hey, maybe we can try at 1 ringgit lah. Because currently the price closing for today is 995 s, and we can see recent performance this is a uh, bearish sentiment okay, and this rebound could be just a rebound only, and if they are unable to go through the 1 ringgit they might have a further sell down. So for me, I will stay away and see how it's going. Okay, if they can break and close above 1 ringgit, then I only start to look for the entry. Otherwise if they can get rejected okay, they might go back to 875 or 750. Okay, so temporarily, okay, we are just still 50-50 lah. Okay, you seeing might rebound. Okay, I need a confirmation on this one okay, they need to go back above 1 ringgit first. And if we base on the oil price, so far it's neutral lah. So still 50-50 lor. Okay, how about Pohuat? Wah, Pohuat tak boleh Pohuat lah. Seems like the rebound already habis Okay. Today sell down, volume slightly higher, closing 135 Okay, but what I see is not so positive lah. Okay, especially today sell the closing not so good, the volume slightly higher. Okay, if 135 cannot hold, they might go to 130 already. Okay, 130 is a support back then lah. Okay, back in last year, this year 130 until 129, 128 lah. Right, 128, 130. Okay, if the price unable to stay above 135, okay, meaning the closing is 134, 133. Okay, maybe you can wait at 128 to 130. Okay, this zone is better, but the sentiment, okay, is bearish lah. Okay, bearish. Okay, GBG suitable for contra. Why want to contra GBGA gabungan? Okay, for this one, yes, if you want to do some day trade lah, okay, not under yeah day trade lah. I think it's still potential. Okay, still potential. As they already at one of the support and recently do have volume lah, like 29th of June got high volume, then they pump out and retest this level. Today closing is like a mini hammer. Okay, so as long as they stay above 30 cents, I think it's still okay. Maybe to do some bounce trade lah. Okay, to maybe maximum 3 to 5. Okay, for the contra or so-called day trade you don't expect to make a lot from the trade lah, because most of the time they only move by few bit only. Okay, what I see is maybe 310 to 325 like that only. Okay, if lucky lah, lucky they might shoot to 350, but which is unlikely based on recent market sentiment lah. Okay, and most importantly, your cut loss. Okay, if go below 30 cents. Okay, if say trading or contra or day trade, I think it's okay as recently, if we look at this zone, okay, since end of May until now, okay, their average volume, trading volume, considered not that bad. Okay, so the activities is still there. So at least you do some trading, you can see volumes over there. Okay, how about ATAC? ATAC, tak boleh this one. Okay, this one also quite new lah. Okay, last year December only. So if you say speaking about bottom, maybe okay, maybe let me draw this line 134. Today closing 136. Let me think. Here. Okay, previously I also noticed discounters, but not. But after I notice for sometimes I monitor for sometimes I see the performance, not so good. Okay, not so good. But if you want to, okay, if you think this is a bottoming trade, okay, of course we can see here lah 134. Okay, so your trading is easy. Okay, as long as stay above 134, you still can hold on. But if close below 134, cut loss lah. Okay, but so far quite weak lah. Okay, quite weak. Okay, even they can rebound. I'm seeing maybe 145 or maximum 150 lah. And how about B trans? Okay, this one so far so good. Okay, if you just want entry a little bit too late, but if you still holding lah, okay. I think we do review before lah discounters, especially when they break out above 735. Okay, they already hit this level, which is 790. Okay, so if they can continue to spike out, okay, next level, this one 815, 860. Okay, so far I think they are still okay. Let me see anything we need to take note. Okay, so far it's still okay. Just that if you just want to jump in a little bit too late, but if you entered earlier, so far I see okay lah. Okay, you just set a trading stop low. As long as they stay above 735, okay, they are still okay. And next thing they need to break is 790 lor. Okay, support for KLCI. Okay, so far, what we can quite confirm is the resistance is 1460 lah. Okay, already break down ma, and recently retest unable to go back. So meaning that 1460 is their resistance. How about support ah? If we look back this one is a year to date. Okay, let me see Okay, this one is a weekly chart lah. Okay, easier to see. Here was a support back in 2020 they do supported quite well at 1460 there. Okay, now already break down. So we can see here don't have a solid support already. Okay, until this June, which is 1300 1400. Okay, this is a more how to say a more solid support support zone 1380 1400. So here all only a minor support only which I think if the sentiment continue like that are likely to hit already okay. Okay, how about gas Malaysia? Okay, let me see if I can find. Okay, gas Malaysia. Wow, break 296 gas Malaysia I think not so good looking now at the moment. Okay, as today they already break 290, closing 288. Okay, and although the volume low lah, okay, the candle not so good looking lah. Okay, the candle a little bit bearish. So if they unable to recover back above 290, this is a high volume over here. So this is what I suspect. Okay, what I suspect. Pump out on 13th of May. Okay, they pump out on this date, right? And here they create a lot of volumes, right? Here's a lot of volumes, and the price already break down. So this could be a distribution zone for gas Malaysia. Okay, if they unable to go back up, they might go back down to this level. Okay, maybe okay. Let me see 270 or even lower. So it could be a pump out to distribute, okay, to sell their tickets and then press the price down. Okay, a more solid support should be about 26 something 262. So monitor for the next few days if the price unable to close above 290 minimum then not so good already lah. Okay, how about scope Okay, scope is a so-called like let's see is a goreng stocks okay, last year pump and dump okay, now okay, today got volume 29 June got volume. Okay, let me see anything else okay, can. Okay, scope. Okay, scope. This one we can do some rebound trade. Okay, if you want, with your cut loss below 140. Okay, so if we base on the indicator, at least we can see MACD already cross out. At least no longer that bearish. Okay, if we base on the volume, we can see this two date got good volumes come in. Okay, if we compare with previous data, okay, at least we can see some so-called big buyers come in so their average cost should be about here Okay, so if the price close below 140, no game. Okay, so if they can rebound up, we are seeing 50 MA first low. Okay, 50 MA is about 180. Okay, if we refer back February they hit 50 MA. April they also hit. Okay, overshoot a little bit, gonna press down. So this time if they can rebound okay, I'm seeing about 180 only Okay, 180 maximum if they overshoot 190 Okay, just a rebound trade Okay, so far they already tested few times on 50 MA, which is the this one is a blue line. Okay, blue line. Okay, cut loss below 140 and high risk this one 16 cents counters. Okay, holding Jadem 90 cent profit taking hold. Okay, let me see 90 cents profit taking or hold 1 ringgit. This one for me I will skip this one Okay, I feel this one is I don't know whether true or not lah. Okay, based on the volume and the price session I feel this one is a manipulate counters. Okay, based on the chart lah. Okay, based on the chart, and anytime they might have a sudden sell down. Okay, just like this sudden sell down. Okay, so one day they might just sell down and never come back. Okay, based on the chart lah. Okay, based on the chart. So for me, it's very dangerous. Okay, if can now. Okay, don't put too much money in this. Okay, if can switch. Okay, okay. I hope this is right lah. Okay, so far based on my experience, based on my experience on the volumes and the price session most of the counters they might just sell and never come back lah. Okay, this one haven't happened yet lah. Okay, so be careful lah, be careful this one. Okay, must still they might continue go up, but the risk reward ratio I think not so worth it lah. Okay, and how about must still? I can't remember what stocks already. Actually, got few stocks looks exactly like this. Okay, next is a must still must still bottom. Let me see downtrend 260 already let me delete all the lines since no use already. Okay. 260 is your immediate support. Okay, stronger support. And recently pump out with volume, fake breakout and sell down. So far nothing much. Okay, recent support is at 280. Okay, so far I see nothing lah. Okay, but I can say the support is 280 first. Okay, and next support 260. Okay, and resistance if say fill the gap lah. Okay, if say they can fill the gap 320 already lah. Okay, but volume wise okay lah, today got 30 June got volumes. MGLC, yeah, you're right, MGLC also. Not only MGLC, actually another stocks I can't remember already. Got few lah, got few also like that. Okay, later we go see MGLC. Recently they do come back lah. Yeah, similar lah. We can see the volume huge but they go up very slow not only MGLC, actually still got few. I can't remember the name already. Become the name become very boosted already. Okay, EVD EVD. Let me see. This one lagi susah read lah. This one penny stocks. Nothing much this one. To be honest I can't see anything. Okay, I can't see much on this. No idea this one. Okay, too in liquid already. Okay, nothing much, and their support maybe 210. Okay, if can okay, this one avoid lah. This one, this stocks not so nice. Okay, Pestec. Pestec rebound fear Okay, previously I also aim for the rebound Okay, some more we got volumes Okay, but they already break below 425. Okay, so the rebound considered failed already. So the next support for Pestec we see 40 cents already lah. Okay, if 40 cents also cannot hold let me scroll and see 40 cents cannot hold Wow, here is when 2014 40 cents cannot hold. We are seeing 365. I think stronger one is 30 cents already 315 already So watch out for 40 cents first but overall I think okay, the bear is in control. Okay, the bear is in control. So likely to break down lah. Okay, likely to break down. And how about the sense of sense of volume momentum? Okay, but Okay, on 1st July got some resistance at the 200 mAh. Okay, we can see here also previously they rally up, hit the yellow lines, also the 200 mAh, kena rejected down. Recently, also rally, kena rejected. Okay, they may happen again. Not sure but so far for me is already at resistance so for me sense of we just be careful lah. Okay, so support maybe I put 290 lah. Okay, if below 290 most likely not so good already. Okay, how about Darwin? Darwin also cannot lah. Darwin, Darwin also is a you can see this one. Oh, this one got history already back in 2017 Here also got their DNA not so good based on here. Okay, especially here we can see already got a sample already exactly about the same lah. Okay, they pump out sideways for a few months. Okay, to distribute their tickets. Okay, once they distribute, finish, breakdown, and downtrend. Okay, after downtrend, what happened? Sideways lah. Okay, 2018 sideways until 2020 sideways about 2 to 3 years. Okay, here only got a signal come back. Okay, so recently what happened? Okay, if we see sorry, exactly the same. Okay, also pump up sideways for a few months. Already break 120, finish. Okay, so I'm expecting they might go back down and sideways for another few years. So for me, this one not so good lah. Be careful lah. Okay, and also this one is a penny stocks so you need to have holding power and can tahan the drawdown lah. Okay, so for the immediate support is 0.08 lah. Okay, and your resistance 0.1. Okay, EP for Penta. Okay, Penta, let me see. Momentum actually is still not too bad. Okay, just that the market sentiment not good only lah. Okay, so far we can see you can take note on 350 lah. 350. If they can stay above 350, I think still okay. Okay, but if they break down 350, most likely might go to 323 or 3 ringgit lah. Okay, so yeah, monitor 350 for the Penta. Okay, let me see. Advice on Hex. Hex Industry. One, two. Actually, they also got divergence. Okay. For me, I will more alert on these stocks and maybe I will stay away first. Okay. First thing first is the divergence as a warning. Okay, you can see the high is getting lower, here getting higher. Okay, this is a first signal tell us that the uptrend already near the end or the bull already tired. So the second signal is 320. Okay, or 315 lah. Okay, 315. Okay, if they break below 315, most likely no good already. They might go to 250 or even lower. Okay, but if they can keep supported, okay, maybe still got some chance. But recently we can see, especially today, sorry, let me zoom in and see. Okay, market gap up. Okay, they try to retest the 350 and also the 50 MA 20 and 50 MA, but by end of day, kena rejected. So this also indicate that the buyer is weak. Okay, the seller is more than buyer. So they might go back to retest 325 and 315. So you monitor 315. If they break below, most likely no game ready. Okay, QL 49491 QL, I think this one okay. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Okay, QL I think can monitor. Okay, I think let me see when 2021 they were in a downtrend right? And recently, based on recent structure, QL is like recovering lah. Okay, so we are seeing the low is getting higher. Okay, although not so nice lah. Okay, my drawing, but at least we can see this one is a mini uptrend, right? This one is the first thing. Another thing is the current price is above all moving averages. Okay, and let me zoom in and see. And the 20 MA is at here, 50, okay, and 100 try to cross above 200s. Okay, so this is a multiple moving average at here, crossover. So at least this is a good sign that showing that they are recovering. Okay, MACD not too bad. So this they could be a turn around lah. Okay, I think possible lah based on chart. Okay, so your EP 490 I think is still safe. Okay, I think even uh, haven't enter you want to monitor, I think this can monitor lah. Okay, as long as the price don't close below 490. Okay, I'm okay with it. I think still worth to monitor. Okay, this one. Just that the cost is higher lah, 5 ringgit plus now. Okay, if they can retrace back to 520 or okay, 5 ringgit plus minus, okay, maybe you can see. Okay, review HelpTech. HelpTech no so good lah. Okay. Break break 375, break 340. Now their support 280. But I think not so positive lah in my opinion. Okay. Your average is at current price. So you watch out 315 as your resistance, 280 is your support. Okay, so time's out already, and let me see. I review the last one now. Okay, MK Land. Okay, MK Land bottom cannot If you want to do bottom fishing, I think okay. If you want to try, your cut loss below 145 low. But if you say about speaking about bottoming, I think not yet lah. Okay, I could be wrong also lah. Bottoming 145. Cut loss below 145 low. Okay, if you really want to try lah. Okay, but for me, I will skip lah. I'm not confident with this one. Okay. Okay, so today's sharing session is under here. Thanks everyone for joining our live Q&A lah. Okay, so our next live session is at Wednesday, 8:30. And thanks Sifu for having me here. Okay, thank you everyone. So we see you on Wednesday, okay, 8:30. Thank you.